This video is designed for students that are in the 6th grade at Grant County Middle School in Mr. Camacho's classes. This is over Unit 7, Learning Target 2, which is on Monsoon Asia. This learning target, which is rather forward and point blank into read and interpret a variety of geographic tools. Well, this would include your ability to read maps, charts, graphs, and other diagrams that are similar to this. And we showed you on the study guide, if you recall, a couple of different charts. And here is one of those charts. If you can read and interpret this chart, that'll be very helpful in this diagram. As you can see how China and Japan, between this chart and this chart, you're going to basically be able to read how China and Japan utilize different things. When we go back to this chart right here, this one is on Japan, and it is mostly some of the items that the Japanese, some of the adaptations that they made in these areas of transportation, housing, land use, and health. And so if you can identify those things, like for example, if there was a question about give 3 examples of how the Japanese have adapted in the form of housing, you would see that they live in nuclear families. That would be one adaptation. Another one would be they have smaller items like appliances. Futons were mentioned as an example. You may also put that they use rooms for multiple purposes. That was another thing that was mentioned. And then basically you have some scarcely used land on there. So that's a scarce flatland is what I was trying to read backwards. Sorry, I had a hard time doing that. But that would be a way to read a diagram. We've been practicing map reading all year, so there's not much I could tell you on a video that would key you up for that. You obviously need to know your directions, cardinal directions, intermediate directions, cardinal directions being northeast, southwest, intermediate being the ones in between those like northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. If you know those things, then you can. That's going to be a basic thing. As long as you remember to look at the map title first to see what you're looking at, and then look at the map key second to understand how to read the map. Then read the question is my suggestion to you. Look at the map title, and then key, then read the question, and then you'll have an idea about what you're looking for. This should enable you for success on Learning Target 2. Good luck.